In the bustling world of roofing, blending in is not an option. Standing out is a must. With so many competitors vying for attention, traditional advertising just doesn't cut it anymore. Your roofing business needs to innovate, captivate, and connect in ways that resonate deeply with potential customers. We are bighomeprojects.com. We built a directory to help homeowners find trusted local contractors and help contractors find work. Today, we're diving into some guerrilla marketing tactics that can elevate your brand visibility and help you reach new clients. Let's explore how to break through the noise and grab the attention of homeowners in your area. Number 1. Eye-catching installations can be a game changer. Think about setting up a mini roof display in a busy spot like a local hardware store or park. This display can showcase different roofing materials and techniques, drawing in curious passers-by. You could even add interactive elements like QR codes that link to videos or virtual consultations. It's about engaging people and educating them at the same time. Number 2. Flash mobs with a twist can create unforgettable moments. Picture this. A group of performers suddenly bursts into a fun routine that highlights common roofing problems, all while spreading awareness about your services. These spontaneous events can generate buzz and leave a lasting impression, especially if you hand out branded materials afterward, ensuring people remember who brought the fun. Number 3. Branded giveaways at local events can significantly amplify your visibility. Attend farmers markets or festivals and hand out useful items like water bottles or tote bags with your logo on them. Make sure to engage with attendees by offering quick roofing tips or advice. This way, they'll associate your brand with helpfulness long after the event is over. Number 4. Social media challenges can spark creativity and engagement. Launch a photo contest asking participants to share pictures of their roofs or any roof-related issues they face. Encourage them to tag your business for a chance to win a free inspection or discount. This strategy not only boosts your online presence but also fosters community engagement. Number 5. Cross-promotions with local businesses expand your reach significantly. Team up with complementary services like landscaping companies or home repair shops for bundled discounts or referral bonuses. This collaboration helps you tap into their established customer bases while providing added value to your clients. Number 6. Free workshops on roofing maintenance can position you as a knowledgeable resource. Host sessions at local community centers where you share DIY tips for basic repairs or seasonal maintenance advice. Engaging with the community like this will build trust and establish you as the go-to expert when they need professional services. Number 7. Eco-friendly initiatives not only differentiate your brand but also attract environmentally conscious homeowners. Highlight sustainable roofing materials and practices through campaigns that emphasize their benefits. Educating your audience about green roofs or solar panel integrations can enhance your reputation and expand your customer base. As you embark on these innovative marketing strategies, remember that each approach builds upon the last, creating a powerful network of visibility and trust within your community. But keep an eye out. An opportunity could arise when you least expect it. The key is to remain adaptable and ready to seize the moment. For more insights and guidance on how to effectively market your roofing business, don't forget to visit our site at bighomeprojects.com. There, you'll find resources designed to help you navigate this competitive landscape and connect with homeowners looking for services just like yours.